everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing my boxycharm unboxing video. At the end of this video, I will be showing you how I applied some of the products that I received in this month's box. This is for the box of May 2019, and let's get into this. And if you do not know, boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month and you get over $100 worth of products. This month's theme is Make Waves, and this is what it looks like. I got variation number 2, and you can tell because it has a number 2 with a heart at the very bottom. And the first thing that I received in this month's box is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. It's a huge product, which is I think why the box was more slim but longer this month than normal. I love this stuff. I've already used it a few times. As you can see, I love the holographic look to it. But yes, it's a really good face cleanser and I've been loving it so far. I will not be showing you how to use this in this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. You apply to wet face and gently massage evenly in a circular motion. Rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as desired. And that's exactly what I do. Okay, and that retails for $28. This is worth more than the entire box, so I think that is amazing. Okay, the next thing that's in the box is the Alamar Color It Blush Trio, and this is what it looks like. I am wearing it on my cheeks today. I went in with this color and this color. It's very light but beautiful. I do like them. I'll do a couple swatches for you. They are very light, but very spring, so you can see they're very pretty. And this retails for $22. The next thing that's in the box is the Eye Luster Cream Shadow, which is this, and I'm wearing it on my eyelids today. I like it. It looks really pink in the tube, but actually when you share it out, it's actually not that pink. And I just like to top it on top of my regular eyeshadow. As you can see, it actually is more gold than it is actually pink. It's really pretty. I've seen people using this as a highlight, but I think that that would look horrible as a highlight personally. It's just too chunky glitter, but it looks really pretty on the eyes, as you can see. And this retails for $22. The next thing that's in the box is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I'm wearing it on my lips today. It is the color Kiss of Fire. To me, it looks more like a super, super hot pink mixed with like a red. Like when my husband sees it, he thinks it's red, but when I'm applying it, it looks like just like a really bright, bright pink. And it's one of the colors that kind of make your teeth even look whiter. I don't know if you can tell, my teeth look super white. So I really do like this color. I love red lipsticks. I know a lot of people are going to be mad about receiving this because they always complain about receiving red lipstick. I personally like them, but I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. And this retails for $18. The last, but certainly not least thing that's in the box, which I'll be showing you how to apply at the end, is the Mellow Brow Definer. And it has a spoolie on one side, which I do love about the product. We actually received another one like this. It's kind of like the triangle tip. It's a triangle shape, but it's a really pretty color. I think this was the color. It doesn't even say. Just like a brown, like a light brown color. And you can apply more to get a darker color. I didn't really apply too much, but I do like it. And this retails for $18. So I'm gonna go ahead and calculate everything and then I'll give you the total price. So the total value of this month's box was $108, which is amazing because you only paid $21. So I think that is absolutely amazing. And if you like to see how I applied the products that was in this month's box, just keep watching. And if you haven't already, please like this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. God bless. bye.